people. We're in London, baby. Amanda's not feeling very well right now. That was a very sad woo. Anyway, very spontaneous trip. And it's Valentine's Day. So yeah, came to London. So let's see what we get into.
We are in Holland Park. Just a little random pit stop because we're waiting for our hotel to be ready. It is a beautiful day though.
What's up, guys? We are possibly in the world's smallest elevator.
We planned this trip within a week. So
sure did.
We're gonna see our room for the first time.
This is either gonna be really good or, I don't want to say disaster, but it'll be interesting.
Oh. Oh, we're sleeping apart.
Oh yeah.
But it's not bad looking. I mean, not this so much, but yeah, this is a good little vacation.
Hey guys, we are out and about, first night in London. It is Valentine's Day, as we said before. Don't mind the hair, someone forgot a comb. Yeah, it was me. So I picked a random spot for dinner. One, hopefully it's not that packed because it is Valentine's Day. Two, hopefully it's good. Oh, we actually just passed this right over here. So yeah, let's see how it is. Alright guys, she's freezing. Today we got a tour. We are going to 3 places: Windsor Castle, Stonehenge, and Bath. First place is Windsor Castle, and that's where we're going to now. Saw this statue and it said FP of Wales. I'm like, what does that mean? Both thinking, and then I go, former Prince of Wales, which is probably true, and Amanda goes, fucking Prince of Wales. Hilarious. Alright, second stop, Stonehenge. Apparently we have to go from a bus to another bus in order to get there. Don't understand the logic, but those are the rules. Fun fact about the Stonehenge area: it smells like sheep. You guys didn't know that? Now you do. There she is.
trouble. Just droning when he's not supposed
She
to.
bought me a drone to use, so now I'm using it, and now it's like the worst thing ever.
Because he doesn't know any rules or regulations. He's just droning like a madman.
Don't crash it. Don't lose it. If someone tells you to stop, then you stop. Just someone tell you to stop. Fun fact, you are not allowed to drone in Stonehenge.
It's military airspace. You try to tell people.
But I did.
Try to warn people.
Excuse me? Fine as I did. So whether or not the footage makes it, I don't know. But I could show you on the TF. Another fun fact. Maybe you guys already know this, but I didn't. You cannot go in the wrong bath. So don't bring your swimming trunks. Good day, Selenius. Good time. Babe, are you gonna make an offering? Here we go. Make it good. Yes, I will always love you. So apparently we can't touch the water, but we can taste the water. I don't know, but we're about to find out how it tastes. You're up first. I don't know. I mean, it is spa water.
Tastes like pennies.
Tastes like pennies.
Do you want your own? Yeah. Do you taste pennies? I mean, I don't know if you're supposed to. So we just finished the Roman baths. We've had a fun-filled day.
Very, very long day. Very early day. And now we have a 3-hour journey back home.
So of course, to complete my day, I need to find ice cream. And that's where we're off to now.
This is Amanda in her happy place. Eating ice cream. How is it? I got red velvet from this place. Day 3. Very late start for us. I had an alarm for 9 and it is now 1:35.
I knew I wasn't getting up at 9. That was crazy dreaming by him.
So
we got home at 3?
Yeah, we didn't get to bed till like 4. So we're off to explore. So today we are going to go to Borough Market. Not really sure what we're gonna eat. Maybe we're gonna eat a bunch of stuff. And then, what's the next one? Tower Bridge. Because we didn't get to do that last time because someone took me to the wrong bridge.
I took him to London Bridge, which we thought was Tower Bridge. Until we got there and it's just like, it's over there.
So we're off to the Tube, aka the subway. And yeah. This is it, guys. This is Borough Market. So we're gonna find something to eat. First buy. Oh, let's go. From right over there, Oliver's Bakery.
We underestimated the size of the rosemary focaccia.
They asked me surprise. Here we go.
This is our first pick, just bread.
Just bomb. Being from New York, I love me bacon, egg, and cheese. So it was kind of an option here. No cheese, but it's bacon and egg. And let me tell you. Oh my God.
No.
In the words of R.D. Dos Santos, certified pop. So we ate. Now we gon' drink.
I think we bit off more than we can chew, holding things wise, but this pasta's delicious.
Pretty good, and I'm pretty full.
So Borough Market done and check. Next is Tower Bridge. I think we confused it again for London Bridge, so we are again on the wrong bridge.
Oh, we're legit on London Bridge right now.
Yeah, I know. So the bridge that we want to go to is all the way over there. So, Mr. Directioner, how are we gonna get there?
That way. There it is. That's the right bridge, people. 2 trips it took to get the right bridge.
I'm addicted to the love that you're giving. Every minute, every day I've been craving. I don't wanna get you out of my system, no, 'cause I like the way it feels when you touch me. You got me good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You got me good.
We are about to do possibly Amanda's #1 agenda for the whole trip. The only reason that I got her to agree to go to London. Would you like to reveal to the people?
Yes. We're gonna go eat Nando's.
There it is. Nando's.
Look the prettiest. So as you can tell, we forgot to vlog. But that's how good it is.
It's pretty good, I can't lie.
There was chicken thigh over here. Fries, spicy rice, garlic bread, and corn. And of course, all the sauces.
Was it everything that you hoped and dreamed for? Who loves Nando's the most? Another day, another speakeasy. The cool thing about speakeasies is that they're speakeasies. You can't find them because it's supposed to be hidden. The bad thing is you can't fucking find them. So we're just walking around trying to find this place. Guys, we're in. We got drinks. We got a story. Babe, what's our story?
There was a murder in Savannah.
Why did you say that?
If you know the reference, you're awesome.
Another day, our last full day. Few different things on the agenda. First is this arch, the Wellington Arch. Then Amanda wants to go shopping, of course.
I haven't shopped at all this year. I deserve it.
Then she wants to go to the museum. Oh, God. It's a terrible, terrible day already. Yeah, let's go see this arch.
All I'm thinking about is when you come around. Ooh, ooh, ooh. 'Cause you got me. Play the game just like a pro, didn't stand a chance.
Oh man, we're in Harrods. I don't even know what it's called. She found Chanel. Lord help me. And what is that next to? Louis Vuitton. I dodged the bullet. We're out of there, guys.
It was little
AKA that shit was bougie as fuck.
You got me good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. All I'm thinking about is when you come around.
Went to Harrods. Left, no problem. Gucci. Tried on my hat again. Nothing. We went to Chanel. Nothing. Went to Burberry. Nothing. I'm like, oh yes. Josh, the stars are aligning. Amanda actually doesn't want anything. But there was one store left. Louis Vuitton. Wasn't so lucky.
Don't even, let's compare. Okay, okay. My bag. First size comparison. Excuse me, but alright, he talks about me and shopping like I'm the one here spending all this money, and look at our bags. Look at the size difference of our bags. Alright, so excuse me, but do you have something to say?
I'm a fine bloke. This menu is pretty dope. Well, this is one of the menus. You have to, there's like countries here, and then like, let's say I wanted Italy, you gotta turn it, boom. Then you get a story, then you get what you have in your drink, and then that's the name of the drink. That's an expensive ass drink though. We got our fancy drinks. Cheers to our last night. Just like that, our time in London has come to an end. I'm always ready to go back home. I'm just not ready to go back to work.
That's
Tell me your heart. Is it only me? Is it only me? You've got all night call. Cause I need to know, baby. Yeah, I gotta know right now.